Hello everyone, and welcome to my live Facebook and Realtor.ca open house. This is the first open house we've had here at this property. This listing, it is on lot 22 at 14550 Morris Valley Road. And if you can't tell by these views and this hillside, this area is so gorgeous. I'm bringing to you this brand new home. So it is one of a kind, built by award-winning designer Su-Casa. And check it out, the lot, it's a corner lot that is actually just over 6,750 square feet. So you get, the side is completely designed with that just gorgeous lighting and rock facade, and all that is just such an upgrade and so exquisite, and it's luxury. It is such a nice lot. Inside lots, you don't get that here. Check out the garage door. You notice the extra high bay door that you can fit a boat in, or an RV, maybe a fifth wheel, all your toys. That garage is also, I want to make sure you know, an extra large garage. It's actually 19 by 22, and the average garage is usually 19 by 20. So you got an extra 2 feet for those long extra cab trucks with the hitches or whatnot. And then the driveway is pretty nice length as well. So I want to note, or you should note, that you've got hardy or plank, you know, on the side. So you've got really high-end finishing. As you can tell, lots of lights around, and then the lovely porch, lovely doors with side windows. And as you go in, look at how gorgeous you've got it. Look at the beauty. It is such a beautifully designed home. I'm sure if you've gone online, and if you haven't, go to my website, michellecummins.ca, and you will see multiple photos, not just the 20 that the MLS allows us to upload, but multiple professional photos. So this is a side flex room. It's got the solid door. You can use it as an office or a den, a library, whatever you'd like. Gorgeous mountain views on this side. Again, that corner lot. So we've got this brand new home staged. The tooling in this home is all the nice upper class flat black, which is all the rage right now. In my radio show, actually, we had a designer in, and actually my sister as well, a designer in Southern California, and that's all the rage right now. Gorgeous flooring. Oh, I just love this flooring too. I would love it in my beach house. Look at the ceiling, look at the lighting, look at the banister, look at those windows, a wall of windows. Now, I'm just gonna take you quickly in here because I want you to see that this is a crawl space, a really good sized crawl space. I'm not gonna go down there today, but just wanted to show you the space. We are in, there is a floodplain here because we are right adjacent to Harrison River, where the gold stream of salmon is. And it actually is noted as the gold stream right out front here. This is a propane gas fireplace. So everything in this whole area is all on propane gas, not natural gas. Look at the Waterfall Island, extra large, gorgeous marbling, just beautiful. So as you can see, no appliances yet, but the appliances are kept out so you can choose what you want rather than just what the builder puts in. But it does have the nice hood fan. So you've got the gorgeous marbling. I love the tile backsplash, lots of counter space, beautiful deep double sink, again, black tooling, and then look at the views. Gorgeous. So these windows are just fantastic. And then the deck outside and the French doors going out to the deck. And I want you to note, or pay attention that there is the blinds. I call these dust-free blinds. So, you know, it's really nice the way they've got that set up. So you don't have to dust, because who likes dusting? So because this is a corner lot, it's not fenced yet, but you can fence it. They allow cedar fencing and different types of fencing here. And so you've got this whole side. Hi, birdie. And a good yard, you can make a garden and a very nice deck. And let me just step outside so you can actually see from the back what the gorgeousness is all about. Look at that. So this is a beautiful extreme back of the house as well, because again, you don't normally get, you know, shaker, the beautiful roof line on your deck. I mean, this is just beautiful. Master bedroom, which we'll see in a little bit. You have room for a hot tub if you want. Lots of room for your patio furniture, and from beautiful like design for your shades or whatnot, because there's shades you can get. And then look at again. Well, we'll see it when we go inside through the bedroom, what the views are like. So you've got the open concept, and look at that loft. Gorgeous. Okay, but before we go over there, I'm going to bring you into the pantry, because everyone loves having a pantry. And the upgraded shelving, of course, you wouldn't expect anything less in a home like this. Oh, and note that there's a kicker for your future central back. So it's all roughed in, all ready for you. Of course, you've got the soft clothes and the drawers, lots of drawers. And I want to note, over here, you've got all of those too on the side. So lots of storage. And let's go to the master on the main. But before we get there, check this room out. More storage, and again, upgraded shelving. So just the storage room, utility room. Let's just peek into the garage while we're here. Again, you got the upgraded garage doors with the nice light, letting the light in. You've got the double openers. You've got the deepness here. That's where your central back goes over there. And you've got some space over here. So the guys will like that. And again, I just want to point out, look at the beautifulness. Oh, the lighting, the design, beautiful. Okay, laundry room's over here. Again, black tooling, a very deep wash basin, lots of cabinets. Sorry if I'm going too fast. Washer and dryer of your choice, gorgeous flooring that matches the bathroom. And then you enter into the master bedroom on the main, which is so desirable. And the double doors to the closet space. Again, upgraded shelving. These are things to note. It's the little things that really matter. Okay, so this is the beautiful shower. I quite like it. Got double shower heads, handheld, in both bathrooms, and a good size shower. And then the tub. Who doesn't like soaking in a gorgeous freestanding tub like that? Double sinks. Beautiful. Okay, so this is where you have a glass of wine at the end of your day. Master bedroom. Double doors out onto the deck. Imagine a hot tub out there. And again, dust-free blinds in the French doors, and then you could always blind the other windows. There's all sorts of blinds you can choose from. And again, the builder left that out because you may want certain blinds, California shutters, you know, different types of shades. There's all sorts of different choices. I just love the lights on the stairs. Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs now. And do you like the design on the wall? Usually in show homes, you don't get that. It says show home only. But this, it's like what you see is what you get. Oh my gosh. Now I do about 100 transactions on average a year. So like sell 100 homes a year. And I see a whole lot more than just those 100 homes you can imagine. And this is one of the most beautiful homes for such an affordable price that I have had the pleasure of even seeing. Not alone, you know, a listing of mine. So this is a great flex area for, you know, a small office or games room. There you go. At an open house, you would open up the cabinets or the closets to see what it looks like. Again, the beautiful flooring and the carpets in the bedrooms, which is what you want. You want your feet to be warm. You want your rooms to be warm. This is a beautiful room. The ceilings, high vaulted, and the views. Beautiful. Beautiful. So Harrison Mills is the #1 location in the world. A few years ago, they counted how many eagles were here. In November, they hold the Eagle Fest. Over there, that's the Harrison River. Can't see it right now, I don't think, from the phone, but Harrison River is right there. Yeah, so it's Eagle Fest. It's in November. This is a room that's actually, the windows there. There's no closet, but it could be an office. It could be a den again. Really whatever you'd like it to be. Lots of flexibility in this home. And this is the main bath for upstairs, obviously, but double sinks, beautiful flooring again. I love their choices. And this is the shower and toilet closet, but this is actually like a room. So you've got the space back there. You can put shelving or something for storage or your little knickknacks or roll up your towels. And then this room, another vaulted room. And it's a good size. So I have the measurements online and the floor plan. So that's your view. There's for the TV right there. You can put a little electric fireplace, or this could be pretty much, again, sewing room, guest room, this whole area up here, endless possibilities. The lightness of this home, the brightness of it, the sun just beams through the windows so beautifully because of the way it's facing. It's not directly south, so you don't have to worry about that constant hot sun in the summer. No, here you get all this natural light, but, you know, beautiful, just beautiful. So I want to tell you a bit more about the area, why I kind of just have another slow look for you, or you look. So the area is known to be a place where really you live where you play. Those who move to Harrison Mills, which is about 30 minutes east on the Lougheed Highway of Mission, you're actually about the same distance away from Chilliwack, but going the opposite way through Agassiz. So the people who move out here is because they want quietness. They want to breathe easy. They want to smell clean air. They want to enjoy the eagles in the sky. They like fishing. They like hiking. They like going up to Hemlock Ski Resort, which is now Sasquatch Resort. They like going to Harrison Hot Springs, which is only about 15 minutes away. Now, we are adjacent to Sandpiper Golf Course, which is an amazing world-renowned golf course, and they have a airstrip there. They also have docks, so you can actually boat right up to it, have lunch, do a game of golf, go fishing, go to Harrison Hot Springs. Oh, so many different events and so many different things to do out here. This is so easy to show. I live only 15 minutes away. You call me anytime to have a showing. I can be here in 15 minutes. So come out, have a drive by, have a look at this home, have a look at this neighborhood, have a look at the area. Imagine yourself living out here, being able to breathe, having the quiet, listening to the birds. The restaurants here are quite nice too. I love the Broken Whisk in Agassiz. Then there's the Sasquatch right above, like right near here, and Rowena's Inn at Sandpiper Golf Course. I really like the restaurants in Harrison Hot Springs. There's the Wildcat in Rosedale. It's a quite very nice area. I have a lot of clients that live out here and they love it. I love it. You could jump off Mount Woodside about 4 minutes up the road if you want to hang glide or paraglide or whatever that is. I know somebody who actually teaches how to do that. He's jumped off that mountain over 1,000 times. So this is the home, everyone. I know I haven't mentioned the price yet. So the price is actually lower than the last place that sold that had a smaller lot. This one is only $728,888. And that isn't including the 5% GST, but with this one, you don't have to pay property transfer tax. Yes, you heard me correctly. Because it's under $750, brand new construction, you do not have to pay the property transfer tax. So there you go. you get a bonus on top of everything else. So again, go to my website. I've got a drone video. I've got a video walkthrough. I've got so many more photos than just the 20 as mentioned. You could also Google the address, 2214550 Morse Valley Road. Again, it's River Reaches resort or state, sorry. And let me tell you a little bit about Bearland Strata. A lot of people don't know. They think, oh, it's strata. Well, no, it is, sorry. But it's not like you expect. It's not like a condo or apartment. Bearland Strata is different in many ways. It's a lot less stringent, a lot more loose on rules and regulations because you own the lot, you own the house. You don't have to ask them permission to change things in your house. It's yours. The guidelines are mostly to keep the exquisite or that look in the neighborhood. Nobody wants to see a bright purple or bright pink house in a nature surrounding like this. Things like that. But if you want to see the bylaws, I have them. Just inquire, let me know. Call me anytime you want, 778-885-4659. And I'm happy to talk with you. I'm happy to show you this property, happy to answer all your questions. Yeah, you gotta come in and see it. It's just gorgeous. Okay, take care everyone, and thanks for listening and watching.